Okay, hello future self. I am back from vacation. I was just in Needles for a week, which those videos are on my channel right now. Unfortunately, day 4 is being super crazy stupid with Final Cut, and I am so unbelievably frustrated with it right now. If it gets fixed, I will upload it, and day 4 will be on there. As of right now, only day 1, 2, and 3 are on my channel, which I don't want to talk about anymore because I'm super crazy frustrated. So let's get into the purpose of this video right now. So if you did not know, I'm a musical theater student at University of Arizona, which means that I'm sort of kind of a fan of theater / musical theater. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and talk about the latest news, what's going on Playbill in New York and Broadway. Okay, let's see. First Date the Musical opens this week, which I haven't heard a lot about it. I heard a song from it recently, and it was a good song. I don't really know a lot about it, but I know that Crystal Rodriguez is in it, and she's awesome. Jeremy Jordan is going to be on an episode of the series Elementary. I've never heard of the series Elementary, but it's Jeremy Jordan, so obviously it's going to be really good. Oh, I didn't know this. There's a new Miss Hannigan on Broadway. Faith Prince, Tony winner. She's a Tony. I've never heard of her. Sorry, Faith Prince. I'm sure she is awesome. Jane Lynch, where did you go? Oh, the Laramie Project 10 Years Later will play in Los Angeles. I've actually never seen the 10 Years Later of the Laramie Project, but I have seen the Laramie Project, and it is amazing. Those are the types of plays that I just am inspired by. Seriously. Oof. Great. So I'm sure 10 Years Later is really interesting too, following up on the people in that show. 10 Years Later. Huh, hence the title of the show. Rumors of a new production of Sideshow is happening, which excites me so much. Lindsay Mendez and Derek Klena, stars of Dogfight, opposites in Dogfight, who are also opposites in Wicked on Broadway. How cute is that? Oh, it's just a video of them singing, of her singing Wizard and I. Fun fact, her brother graduated from the musical theater program at U of A. You know, originally I wouldn't have pictured her as an Alphaba, but I'm glad she is. I'm not complaining. Cast announced for Secondhand Lions musical. Question: how are they gonna do Secondhand Lions the musical? I am interested. It might be good. I just don't know how they're gonna do that. Really big news that is I've seen all over the place. Anthony Rapp will be joining Idina Menzel in the her If Then musical coming up. It's like a big reunion. It's like awesome. Where has Anthony Rapp been all these years? What has he been doing? So that was all the way back till Thursday, so I'm going to stop there. If you want, I'm just looking at the Playbill.com Facebook page, only because I feel like some of the Playbill.com stuff is superfluous, and I think the Facebook puts on the spotlight stuff. So if you want to check more out, that's where I'm looking. And if you like this content, please like the video. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, this is my sign off. Bye.